Murray County has pulled the plows, and MNDOT has closed all state highways in Murray County. No travel is advised. The county plows will be back out at 6 a.m. December 24, 2022. Blizzard warning remains in effect. Conditions are expected to worsen once the sun is down. Local deputies have encountered drifts as tall as their squads. Due to the limited visibility, motorists are driving into these drifts and becoming stuck. County and township plow operators are working to have the roads open by the evening of December 24, 2022. Thanks for your cooperation throughout the storm.